Do you want to know how to make a face mask in a very easy way? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I'm going to show you how to make a face mask in a very easy way, but at the same time, it will be very protective. Face masks are very important during this time, and make sure that you're wearing one every time you go outside. What is good about these masks is that you can wash them and use them again. But today I decided to make face masks a little bit more fun by using different colors, and at the end I will personalize them with my name. So stay tuned to see that. I did a video message about COVID-19, which is very important and informational, so if you want to see that, check out this video right here. It will also be linked in the description box below. If you're excited for today's video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video, and also give this video a big thumbs up. In this channel, I make lots of fun videos, including crafts, vlogs, new episodes, and fashion videos like this one. Don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts and send me there your creations, because in the next video they will be part of it. You can send anything that you want. It could be a craft, drawing, or other creations. Don't forget to check my community page because I post there every Tuesday and Friday by giving you a hint about the video that is coming next. If you're ready, let's get started. All we need is a piece of paper, fabric in your favorite color, a pair of scissors, a pencil, acrylic paint, a sponge, a meter, elastic band, and a sketch. This is optional. And if you want, you can use a thread and a needle or the sewing machine. First of all, take the piece of paper because we are going to do the sketch of the mask. Take the meter and the pencil. Place each point like this. Draw lines to match the points. Now cut these pieces off. Now take the fabric and fold it in half. Place the sketch on top of the fabric like this. Now take the pencil and draw the outlines. Cut the fabric using the scissors. Now make another copy of the same thing. Make 2 copies of it. Open the 2 pieces and sew it right here. After I have sewed, put them together like this and sew it again. After sewing, flip it inside out. Sew this open part right here. We are done with the mask and all we have to do is to iron it. Let's do it. Don't forget to check this playlist right here for some more art tutorials inspiration. As you can see guys, we're finally done with the mask and all we have to do is to personalize it. This thing is optional, so all we need is the sketch. I decided to go for my name, ILVA Crafts. We need some acrylic paint and a little sponge. Let's do it. First of all, we will need some acrylic paint, so I'm going to put some of it right here. Now take your sketch and put it in the place that you want. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to secure it using some masking tape. Now use the little sponge to apply the acrylic. Now I am done, and all I have to do is to take off the paper. I hope that it will look good. Wow, it looks so good! If you want to make your mask more fun, you can definitely use any doodles or different designs that you like. Don't forget to check out this video right here if you want to see how I decorated my clothes with acrylics. Now let it dry for some minutes, and last but not least, we are going to put the elastic. Now that the paint is dry, flip the corners inside out at about 4 centimeters and then sew them right here. As you can see, guys, I am done with the sewing, and all I have to do is to put 2 stripes of elastic at the edges of the mask. Let's do it. I'm going to put it like this and then make a knot at the end. If you want, you can sew it. Now flip it like this, so the knot will hide under the felt. Do the same thing with the other. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm done with the mask and I'm very happy with the result. You can use any decorations that you want, maybe different colors, and have fun making them. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and I hope that this video will give you a very important message. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and send me there your creations. I can't wait to see them. This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!